Hello and welcome back to my channel. I have already removed the previous design. I've took some of the length down. I've done all my prep work. I've primed the nails and we're ready to go. Here I am using peach sorbet from CJP, and I'm gonna make a nice ombre nail with a bit of a glitter at the end. So I'm taking this really nice goldy sparkly glitter whatever it is from Nail. So I'm trying to feather it up and make a really nice ombre. I'm also gonna apply on top some fine gold glitter just to make it a bit more sparkly. And this is 24k, I think, from Glitter Planet UK. Everything that I'm using will be listed in the description box below anyway, in case I can't remember everything. This one will be a full nail with peach sorbet. I'm taking my bead as dry as possible and I'm just applying it on the nail. Usually with core powders, if you really want to have that pigmentation, you need to use the beads as dry as possible. Well, not extremely dry obviously, but as dry as possible so you can have all that pigment. If the bead is too wet, it's not gonna cover the same. Again, I'm coming with peach sorbet on this nail, and then I'm coming with some gold shards from, I think, still from Glitter Planet UK, just making a cute little design. I'm doing the same thing that I did on the ring finger, but on a lot thinner layer, as I'm going to encapsulate this with crystal glass. I absolutely love them. They're so sparkly and so cute. They also make the same thing, but they're copper shade. They're really nice. I didn't have the chance to use them yet, but they're stunning. I'm going back to my pink and I'm going to encapsulate it in crystal glass. I'm using the one bead method just to make it a bit easier. Oh, and a bit quicker. Okay, this one is gonna be a glitter fade, so I'm first applying a thin layer of crystal glass just to protect the nail from all that glitter, and the next time when I'm removing the design to create another design, I don't want to file the nail. So I'm doing a glitter fade with that yellowish gold glitter at the tip, and then around the cuticle area I'm using those gold shards. Now, I wasn't sure about this, I just didn't know what to make on this nail, but it actually looked so pretty at the end. Trying to make there a nice line around the cuticle area and also make a nice fade between those two glitters. I'm going back to this finger just to encapsulate it with the crystal glass. Oh, and I'm using, like always, my alpha number 8 brush. It's my favorite brush. I'm gonna encapsulate this one with crystal glass also. When I'm doing this, I'm also thinking about the structure, the shape of the nail. So I'm trying to place my bead of acrylic in a way when I can file it at the end, it looks into a really nice shape. This nail is also going to be a full nail with a peach sorbet. So I have filed, shaped and buffed, and now I'm just gonna remove all that dust. And on the nails where is just peach sorbet, I've applied some builder gel and I've cured it just so it stays sticky, because we're gonna use some transfer foil, but it did not work. It would just not cure. I put it in my LED lamp for quite a few minutes actually, and the builder gel is from Nails. I don't know exactly what was happening, but it's just not happening, so we had to improvise a bit. And I'm using here some gel polish. This is rose gold and the brand is Pure Nails, I think Hello Nails or something. Anyway, so we used that color, we've just applied that, cured it for 30 seconds in my LED lamp, then we're gonna pop the transfer foil on top. Anyway, it just finally happened the way we wanted, but I just don't know why the builder gel didn't happen. There you go, I'm using my top glass. And I'm completely out of focus when I do that, so I do apologize. So here they are. I've applied a bit of cuticle oil and I've absolutely love this set. They're so pretty. I was jealous. I wanted them done after. Anyway, so if you want to see more, subscribe and I'll see you. Bye.